Hi there, I'm Sherry from Salty Girl and the Long Dog. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart a 3-foot tree as well as put it together. First off, I'm going to show you how to take it apart, how easy it is. So I take this off the topper, I take the rope off at the end of the season, and I just grab a bunch of them like this. Whoops, don't let them drop. And I just take them apart like that. And that is how easy I take it apart. And if I really, really want to do it really quickly, I can do it gently like this. Just take the whole pole out. That is how easy it is to take your Christmas tree apart every year. So, what we're going to do when you first get your Christmas tree kit, no matter what size it is, you'll end up with a base. You'll get a base. You'll get a topper. This one happens to be a distressed wooden star topper, starfish. And you'll get a little piece of rope. You'll get all your branches. You'll get the bar to put the wood on. And you'll get an instruction sheet that's going to tell you exactly how to put it together in case you have any questions. So, first off, I'm going to get this out of the way I'm going to take this rod, I'm going to put it into the base, and I'm going to give it a little tap just to make sure that it's in there all the way. And I'm going to set that apart over there, and I'm going to set my topper and my rope apart because I don't need those over there. So what I need to do when I open up my tree kit is I need to put the branches in order. So I'm going to do that going from the largest to the smallest. So it's been built. This is custom made for you. So every tree has been, each branch has been chosen and put together. And then we take a little picture of each tree before we take them apart and pack them up and send them to the new adoptive family. So I'm just getting these roughly in order. You can tweak it afterwards, or if you want them to be not in order, you can do it that way too. So let's just see, that's bigger, bigger, bigger. Okay, that's pretty much it. And I can move them as I go. All right, all my little ones are here. So I am going to make some room. And I'm going to first take the biggest branch and I'm going to gently glide it down the rod. You don't want to let it drop. If you let it drop, there's a possibility that you may break one of your branches because driftwood is brittle, and once the hole has been made, it's kind of compromised and it's a little bit fragile if you were to drop it. So I'm just going to continue on putting these on here from the biggest to the smallest, and they just slide right down just like this. Okay, and some of them, like, you can have this particular branch go this way, or if you want it to kind of bend up, you can have it go upward instead. And I'll have this one go up as well for fun. Okay, so there we go. All these branches are found on southern Maine beaches. We clean them all up so that there's not any seaweed hanging onto them, or hopefully gotten all the sand off them. If we have any rough ends, we sand those for you so that your tree looks finished. There we go, throwing them all on there. Let's see, how about this one and this one? And the reason we don't number our branches for people is because we think it's kind of fun to just take a little creative liberty there and put them on the way you want to put them on. If you prefer a certain way of stringing them on there, or you want to go a smaller one somewhere in between some bigger ones, whatever you want to do. But it's not just about putting up a tree, a Christmas tree, and this, a driftwood Christmas tree. It's really about the experience. So it's a great family experience. I do it with my family every year. and my kids, we all get a branch. We take turns putting the branches on, and we go pick a branch. And when we bring the branch up and string it on the tree, we make a wish for something. Hopefully it's for somebody else that is going to be something nice that you can wish for somebody, or you can make a wish for yourself. But it makes it into a really fun experience. We don't tell each other what our wishes are. We just wish, or we also have done where you go up and just say a little prayer with each one each branch you put on. So then I just put the topper on, just set him on there. Again, you want to push him down, make sure he's on all the way. And this little tie here, all you do is you go around and around, and then I just do it like a scarf kind of. Put it on like this, kind of gives it a nautical feel. Let me see what I have going on here. I don't even know what this tree looks like. Let's see. Here we go. So there's our tree. Oops, there's a little knot. There's our tree. We like to put twinkle lights on. Sometimes we put handmade ornaments. And there's our tree. You can fluff it out to however you want. It's nice and sturdy. And I hope that you loved watching this tree video, and I hope that you love your Driftwood Christmas tree by Salty Girl and the Long Dogs. Thank you.